guys, ito na yung museum ni Kuya Hano. See?
Museum.
You can see a lot of wild animal here. See? You can see this one, wild duck. See?
Squirrel, parang to.
Kasama ko dito si Parin J. Ayan o. Oh. Ayan.
Works. Before in. Sama namin.
Big Norway or Sweden? I think Norway.
Parang stag. That's huge. What is this? Kaya ano, eagle? Is the eagle there?
No, it's smaller. This is some hawk.
You have plenty of this.
But when you sell it, this one is Kuya Hano, it's very expensive, ah? When you sell it, this one? Oh.
I'm not so much selling. I'm only doing that work for clients.
Okay.
So animals are clients on.
So they bring here.
Yeah, hunter bring it here.
Okay.
Is this specialized for?
And this one is for your collection. All those animal. For your collection.
Only some, but mostly like these antlers, they are clients.
This one, they will pick it up, this one.
I hope so.
Okay. See, this one. It's ready to pick up this one. All those.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Hunter bring it here, then.
Thomas is always fishing.
Yes.
This was on ice. Or the small boy is following.
What kind of fish? The raccoon dog.
Okay.
But this is big.
Yeah, it's quite big.
This time they
Ay,
are.
maganda yan sa kontre. This is good for the winter, yeah?
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Skin. Yan, skin.
It's natural.
Natural skin.
Oh, look.
Nice.
Even the feet. Also
Yeah?
service.
See?
Mm.
Grabe, ah. Oh. What's this?
Thomas sent yesterday or Thursday some picture. He saw this in Norway.
Oh, okay, really? You find this?
I have no. He saw that I have.
Oh, grabe, oh.
Wala dito yung dati.
Nakay mama.
Wild duck. Ayan. Anong tawag kahit? Pre? Preserve nila, ano?
Ganito,
Grabe, oh.
sibit.
Oh, yan, oh. Yun yung mga wild duck. Grabe, oh.
Ano to? Duruko, pre.
Hindi,
Duruko.
kanya pre, pugo.
Pugo ni. Parang tunay, realistic.
Pugo.
Ano?
Sa Pilipinas yan, ubos.
Ito. Deer.
Saan, pre?
Ito, deer.
Ayan,
To.
ay, isa mo, pre.
Ito.
Saan
Deer. Ito. Pugo. Ito.
Yan, pre.
Pike.
Pike.
Yan. Hindi ko alam paano yan. Abnormal.
Hindi ko yung pre. Paano yung kumukan sa akin, yung bubuka yung kuhan.
Ito, si
Ito, pre.
Mr.
Ayan, sabihin, pre.
Dugi.
Yung manok, pre, oh.
Ito,
Yan,
wolf.
pre.
Wolf.
Wolf.
Ito, beaver. Beaver ba to? Hindi ata. Ito, rabbit.
Ito, pre. Yung mga yan. Ano yan? Isa mo, pre.
Ito, pato nila dito to. Foreigner na pato.
Ayun, pre. Yung manok. Yung manok.
Ito palang pato nila, itik. Ito yung pambalot dito. Ito naman.
Yung pre. Ay, yung pinapakain natin sa kanay. Ay, yung pre. Agila, oh.
Hindi agila to. Yung kwan. Owl. Malaking mata.
Pre, yung manok.
Ito, baka ito ang agila.
Hindi. Panabong yan, pre.
Panabong ba to?
Oo, yung panabong dito.
Hindi ko alam kung ano to eh.
Pre.
Ano bang ibon to?
Grabe, oh.
Ano? Parang ito. Totoo pala to.
Pakilala mo, pre. Dali, iko kang mga to. Grabe, oh. Pakilala mo, pre. Pakilala mo.
Ito, family ng ano ito?
Ng pugo.
Pugo. upgrade na pugo.
Dali pre, ito.
Ano to?
Ayan pre, ito. Ano to? Ay, yung rabbit nila, rabbit.
Yung rabbit nila, no?
Ayan.
Itong magiging kulay ng rabbit nila pag winter.
Yan, naging puti.
Nagpuputi.
Ito pre, mga sungay ng ano to?
Ito, sungay ng mga kwanto, deer. Ito mga to. Yan, pinagawa ng mga hunter to.
Yun.
Mga hunter.
Ayan si parang Gerald, oh. Ayan, tagapin lang kasi rito yan. Kaya ha.
Kasi yung mga hunter dito, minimaintain nila yung ano dito eh. Mga hayop. Pag sobrang dami na, kailangan na talaga nilang i-hunt yung iba.
Kailangan nilang bawasan.
Oo, kailangan bawasan ng kwan ng policy ng government.
Yun. Ito pre, ano to pre? Ayan.
Yan.
Sila yun.
Parang dugong eh. May isa pang dugong dito.
Grabe.
Tignan nyo, may isa pang dugong.
Grabe oh.
Ang laki namang salmon nito.
Grabe.
Salmon ba yan?
Salmon pre oh. Ito pre, ito pre, ito.
Ito.
Pax.
Oh. Ito.
Ay, yung mga yan pre, yung mga sungay na yan.
Sungay din ng kwanto, mga deer.
Ayan. Ito pre, ano to? Yung malaking to.
Ito?
Elk.
Reindeer to. Reindeer.
Ay, reindeer.
Oo.
Wala siyang elk, no?
Oo, ito yung ginamit ni Santa Claus.
Ayun.
Yan sa Lapland.
Ay, ito pala yung owl na malaki pre, oh.
Ayan, owl yan.
Ayan, oh.
Ay, yung yellow, may kakibaw pala, yellow.
Ay,
Ibon adar na ata yan, ah.
Oh.
Ibon adar na ata.
Ayun pre, yan, oh. Ano yan?
Ayan, isda.
Ano isda yan pre?
Karpa.
Tilapia.
Karpa.
Grabe, oh.
Ang laking karpa niyan.
18.3 kilos, pre.
Yun. Yun ang alam ko. Itong isda na to.
Nakuha sa Olculito. Ayun, oh.
Oo, itong isda na to, ito yung sika, sinasabi nila.
Yung sika.
Oo, yun, yung kuan.
Yung pre.
Baba na. Yung nasa taas naman, kuha.
Kuha.
Yan.
Ito pre, yung white.
White. Kalapati dito yan. Foreigner na kalapati.
Oh, grabe, laki, no? Oh.
Ito, may iba-ibang kan. Ibon.
Grabe guys, oh. Pinatigas lang, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Oh. May mga daga din dito. Ayan, oh. May daga rin dito sa pinlan, ayun, oh. Oh, pinatigas. Ayan, oh. Binalsa mo lang yung mga yan. Preserve nila, oh. Grabe, ang lalaki, oh. Yan, oh. Nakapreserve lahat yung mga yan. Grabe, oh. Laki. Yan, pag nakita mo sa kanyan. Ayan guys, may rabbit sila rito. Yan yung rabbit nila, oh. Ayan, oh. Meron silang duck. Ayan yung wild duck. Ayan, oh, naka-preserve lahat yan, oh. Grabe, oh. Totong kanyan, oh, animal. Yan. Oh. Karpi, 18 kilos. Laki. Oh. Wolf. Yan, ang dami, oh. Ito guys, may mga kano, oh. Ang ganda pinagkagawa, yo. Yung mga balat, oh, balat. Mga balat ng animal, oh. Galing, ang galing. Naka-preserve.
They should have picked up.
This is the pack spray. Packs. This wolf. What is that bird?
Pig. Or the one.
Peacock.
No, it's pet.
Rabbit.
That's some funny name in English. But Finnish name is Netso.
Netso.
Ito, to.
Oh.
Ha? Ito?
It's very Finnish.
See? It's a lot.
No, that was in Sweden. This is still alive in this picture.
Okay.
But he shot. But, I don't ask, but in Sweden,
Well, what is this? Moose?
no, follow deer.
Ah.
Follow deer.
You have a huge.
In Sweden, they have places where they are in fence.
Okay.
To pay a lot of you can shoot. I'm not sure about this, but I know that this is Sweden. So they are not exactly totally wild.
Unlike here, right? Because here in chicken.
Because if possible, I bring you the Chinese. Did you see my my upload in YouTube? I have like Chinese chicken, the small one. It's very cute. Yeah. But if possible here, I will bring you one. But it's not possible to bring here. It's good.
I think so.
Yeah. It's possible, but you can expend a lot of money because you need to pay, you know, the tax, everything in the costume.
What is this?
See, it's nice chicken.
It's a mystery.
Is it really true here or only the fish?
I made this kind of
Okay.
fake
Oh.
teeth
It's
from
nice, kuya, no, ha?
Yeah.
Kuha.
You see? You mix.
And this is from Kuha.
Okay, and this is also the tail.
And the teeth are Kuha, not fish teeth, not this.
Okay.
This is artificial. That
Artificial.
A snake.
This the rat here. Mouse.
Oh, really?
Yes.
It- no, this is wild. No, this is not a rat.
What is this?
No, a rat has bigger tail.
What you call that one,
Okay.
kuya, no? What you call that one?
It's some kind of mole, but I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know that.
But it's not possible to eat that one. It's forbidden.